Ladies, okay, nasolabial lines and folds are annoying because guess what? Most of them aren't yours. They are accelerated aging, they are unnecessary aging, they are not coming from your skin. So treating your skin with all these expensive creams and serums isn't gonna do crap because it's not getting to the deeper layer that's actually causing those folds and lines. So folds, when you smile, are normal. That is a human face and we wanna stay human. We don't wanna look like this all day long. It would look very bizarre. But what you don't want is folds that are sitting there all day long and breaking your skin and deepening them into these lines that make you hound dog out and make you look older than you need to. Those are not yours. We can fade those. I'm 54 years old. I'm a face and neck anatomy expert with certifications from Harvard and Stanford, darling. And I've seriously faded my nasolabial folds and my lines here. So I have normal folds when I smile and express. Nothing's frozen, nothing's filled. But I don't have those deeper lines sitting there aging me unnecessarily. It's not mine and it ain't yours either, honey. So let's get rid of it. And we're going to do it in 10 minutes a day. Here's how. You've got to do HIIT, high intensity interval training, to restore volume quickly in your cheeks and the muscles that pull apart those folds so they're not sitting here and you're not hanging down all day long into them. High intensity interval training, not face yoga, not massage. First, you want to build back that muscle volume. Then you want to do myofascial release that doesn't pull and break your skin worse. And that's why this is very important that you do a course like this with an anatomy expert and not a skinfluencer. And then you'll look the way that you're meant to. And when you look in the mirror, you can say, ah, there she is. That's what I want for you. I'll see you there. Let's do this together the right way from the beginning.